Alrighty then, welcome back everybody, girls and boys, for another unboxing video. This next item is Tech Plus-Z or Plus, I don't know how you pronounce that. Tech Plus-Z. So it's a solar portable charger. Website www.techplus.com, Plus-Z, or however you pronounce it. Email service at techplus.com, so check it out. Wireless charging, USB universal serial bus, charging solar energy, 72 hours safety test. Alright. Th 30,000 milliamp hours. Compatible with ISO and Android. Color black. Nothing fancy, nothing dandy. That's it. Stay fully charged on the go. Alright, my peeps. Let's open this bad boy up. See what's going on. Cool. Suspect the box. Fully charged, stay fully charged on the go. Solar portable charger, everyone. Alright, let's open this up carefully. So we got the manual. Simple. Here we go. The back side. Scan that barcode. Do all that. Hit them up. Let them know that I got their product. Alright, check it out, my peeps. So let's look at the specs. So it says product illustration and features 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Oh, just 13. On and off, blue LED indicator, green LED indicator, USB 1, USB 2, micro USB, type C, LED flashlight, hook, solar panel, wireless charging, standby indicator red, wireless charging indicator blue. Press one time, wireless charging active, long press, LED light power on and off, charging by USB / battery status, charging by solar, output port, input port. Alright, hopefully you guys could see that and read it. Alright, specifications. So battery capacity 3.7 volts, 30,000 milliamp hours, lithium polymer battery, rated capacity 5 volts, 15,600 milliamp hours, solar panel output 5 volts, 330 milliamps. Charging through the solar panel. Place the solar panel power bank under the sunlight. Green LED light brightness change depends on strength and sunlight. Okay, input micro 5 volts 2 amps, type C 5 volts 2 amps, output 5 volts 2.1 amps, wireless charging 5 volts 1 amp 5 watts. Product size 171 times 92.2 times 24.2 millimeters. Green when charging by sunlight, 25% of the power. Okay, so the second LED indicator is 25%. Third LED indicator is 50% of power. The fourth LED indicator is 75% of the power. The fifth LED indicator is 100% of the power. Solar charging method is suitable for outdoor emergency. Is recommended to charge by USB and daily use. Safety notice. Yeah, so do not attempt to open and disassemble the solar charger. Do not throw, beat, or shake the solar charger. Keep it away from the children. The solar portable charger is waterproof only by light water splash. Always keep it away from water or underwater or any liquid. 5. When charging with sunlight, do not leave the solar charger in an enclosed space such as inside vehicle under sunlight with temperatures over 113 degrees Fahrenheit. Alright, my peeps. So that's it, and let's check it out. Oh, it's on already. What the hell? I haven't even opened it. So here's a little USB charging power cable. Ay, ay, ay. Soundproof. Oh my god. Alright, just tear it up, dude. I'm trying to open it carefully. Oh, so it has a little carabiner hook to carry it. Cool. And then it's little mini little cables, probably like, I don't know, like a few inches, 4 inches. Alright, so here's the battery bank. It's pretty heavy. It's pretty heavy. Has some weight into it, my peeps. So here it goes. Tech Plus E. USB. Let's see, can you take this off? Yeah, you can. So check it out, my peeps. Bam. All the different ports. You have 4 of them. Okay, that's cool. There's the power button. It has like these rubber grommets in the side to hold it, you know, for grip. Here's a little solar panel. And that's it. This is the bottom, the top. Here's to hook up a carabiner so you can hang it, right? All cool. And this is the back. So 30,000 milliamp hour large capacity with 5 watt fast wireless charging. Battery capacity 3.7 volts slash 30,000 milliamp hours. Rated capacity 5 volts slash 15,600 milliamp hours. Output USB 5 volts slash 2.1 amps wireless charging. 5 volts slash 1 amp 5 watts. Input micro USB 5 volts 2 amps type C. 5 volts 2 amps solar panel output. 5 volts 330 milliamps. So there you go, my peeps. So I gotta charge it. It's charging already. You can see it because it's outdoor. So it's active. Alright, my peeps. So that's it for this video. Can't wait to use these bad boys. Alright, my peeps. I don't want to make this too long and too boring. Alright, so that's it, my peeps. I hope you guys like it. And as always, smash that thumbs button. Give it a like, comment, share the video. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the notification bell, the little icon. And always, my peeps, be a producer, not a consumer. Invest. Alright, everyone. Peace. Love.